Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all to Sant Tukaram National Model School again. These are the videos regarding Class 4 Social Studies subject. This is a new video series. In this, we have started. Yes, absolutely right. The Western Desert we are going to see here. It has different names. The first one you can see on the screen here. It is the Great Indian Desert. It is called. It is also known as Great Indian Desert. It is a hot desert instead. There are two types of desert, that is cold desert and hot desert. India is very much fortunate to have both types of desert, right? So the thing we are learning here, the place we are learning here, the physical division we are learning here, it is the hot desert named as Great Indian Desert. It is also known as Thar Desert. It is also called as Western Desert, and you are also having one local name for that, that is called as Marusthali. You can see here, Marusthali means the land of the dead. Why it is called as Marusthali? Because it is means very few animal life is there, very few plant life is there. That's why it is called as Marusthali also. It is a very vast region, large region in the northwestern part of our Indian subcontinent or our India, you can say, and it forms a border, or you can say beyond border also it extends. The Western Desert lies on the borders of India and Pakistan in the Rajasthan state, and the Thar Desert or the Western Desert, it is not limited up to only the India. It goes beyond the border. It spreads, or it has been spread even in Pakistan also. Beyond the borders, it extends. Right. So it is a very dry region. You can say it covers almost 85% of desert in India, and the rest of the remaining desert you are having it in Pakistan. The total area could be, you can see here on the screen, it is near about 20 lakh kilometers square. 20 lakh kilometers square is the area of the Western Desert. Among that, 85% is in our India, and rest of the part goes in the Pakistan, means it extends in the Pakistan also. Along again, not only the Rajasthan is included in that. Again, in Gujarat and some areas of the borders of the Punjab and Haryana, it extends up to that particular area also. It is a dry region. Let's go to the map and see where particularly the Great Indian Desert lies. Yes, you can see here, we have already seen this map here, where it is with respect to our India. When we say that it lies in northwestern side of our India or Indian subcontinent, you can clearly see here, if you move from the center towards the north side, you would not be getting the desert. You need to move towards the northwestern side to go to the desert, or to see the desert. You need to go towards the northwestern side. Western side. Hence, we can say that this northwestern side, in the northwestern side, you are having the Great Indian Desert, Western Desert, Marusthali, and all such other names it is having. Okay, so there are some very special features about this Thar Desert. We need to see this. What are those important features of the Thar Desert? The formation of Thar Desert actually took thousands of years to get converted into desert. That particular area, that Thar Desert, was not an desert few years, not few years, you can say long years ago, near about 12,000 years ago. This Thar Desert was not a desert, it was a green area, but due to some physical changes, geographical changes, you can say, instead, due to the change of climate also, due to the change in rainfall patterns, all such changes contributed to that particular region to become a desert region. The sand was brought down by the winds from various regions, and it was deposited there. Day by day, the rain was going down, and due to that, that particular area or that particular region got converted into desert. Though it is a desert area, you are having, it is not like, means peoples are not living there, and you are having none of the vegetation and none of the animal life is there. It is not like that. Even if it is a desert area, it is a famous, what you can say, the tourist attraction. You are having many, not many, a single famous hill station is there in the Aravali Hills. In the Aravali Hills, you already know the location of the Aravali Hills. In Aravali Hills, you are having the one hill station, very famous hill station. It is called as Mount Abu. You might have heard about the word Guru Shikhar. The Mount Abu it has different name also. It is called as Guru Shikhar. The both names are for this Mount Abu. Mount Abu, it is called as Mount Abu also, as well as the Guru Shikhar. Other than this Mount Abu and Guru Shikhar or this famous hill station, you are having many palaces in the cities like the Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer. Forts are there, buildings are there, monuments are there. So these are some of the famous tourist attractions for the of the Western Desert or the Thar Desert. So in this video, we will stop here. In next video, we would be seeing more features and other things regarding the Thar Desert. Till then, take care.